In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a photo on iPhone. So this is actually very simple. Now what we are going to do is use this particular photo right here, and I'm going to rotate this one by simply clicking the edit button in here. And then what we are going to do is just select this one right here, the third option to the right. I'm going to click that one, and then we have this particular option right here on the upper left in order for us to rotate the photo. So just go ahead and click it, and then if you are satisfied, you can go ahead and click done, or if you want to rotate it even further, you can definitely click that once more. So there you go ahead and try to choose the angle that you prefer. And then you also have this particular option down here in order for you to somehow make some changes on the angle of the picture. So I'm going to show you this one right here. For example, I'm going to click the second one, and then if I'm going to go ahead and do this one right here, adjust this one, you can see that now we are able to see some adjustments on the photo. So there you go. And yeah, once you're satisfied, go ahead and click the done button, and now you are seeing it. So yeah, congratulations everyone, that is how you're going to rotate a photo on iPhone.